Okay, here's a little project I'm working on. I got a lawnmower. I followed the directions on how to convert it from a vertical shaft to a horizontal, and I wanted to show you how I'm mounting it onto my bike. This is actually my nephew's bike. I took the back plate from the lawnmower and I took part of the handlebars and made a plate for it to stand on. I've also got a second rim that's welded in. This isn't the actual belt we'll be using, but just something to show how it would work. And let me pull this off. I'll show you my setup here. So this is actually the lawnmower handle. This is the back plate to the lawnmower. And this is the lawnmower engine. And I took the center part where it was already mounted. One of my bolts broke off, but I've still got two good bolts here. I'll take these out. I had some extra plate from an old water heater I used for the base. I made a rocket stove, and I had some extra metal left from that. Got a little cheapy welder. So I'm using these two bolts. And there's plenty of videos to show you how to convert your lawnmower engine. I got this one for free. It started up. And so let me just show you this here. There's the old lawnmower. There's the centerpiece I cut out. And then I welded it all together. Cut out a couple tabs. Nope. Oil leak there. Anyway, this normally stays sealed when the bolt is in. There's a little O-ring right there, and it doesn't drip. Unfortunately, it dripped right now, but we'll get that cleaned up. And here's my setup. These little tabs were mounted and cut, and a little welding, and it's pretty stable when it's running. Just need to drill a couple holes to bolt it